Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to use iCloud Drive. Okay, many of you might be wondering what is an iCloud Drive. It is a place where you can back files or store files. Suppose if you lose your contents in the desktop, then you're never going to get it back. But if you have the desktop folder backed up in the iCloud Drive, then it's safe because you just have to create an account in iCloud Drive and keep whatever you want in that. And using another Apple device, you can simply log into iCloud and access the folders and files in the desktop folder. So I'll show you what's there in my iCloud Drive. I have only a few folders, assigned for a particular application. So any file that has been used from these applications will be automatically stored in the iCloud Drive. Now go to System Preferences and go to Apple ID. Here you can see multiple checkboxes left unticked and a few of them ticked. So the ones that are ticked, always they are always stored in the iCloud Drive, any file of that application. And you can see here that I just have 5 GB left in the iCloud storage, and I have only 667.2 MB left. And if you want to manage, you can click on this button here and you'll see which applications are contributing to the most to the storage, and you can delete files of that particular application. So I hope you found this video useful on iCloud storage. Thank you.